Okay, this is really cool. I just took a friend's porcelain owl, I guess it is. I don't know. Concrete owl. This guy right here. And I 3D scanned him. The result? Here's a photo. And here's the final. It's been a while since I did much 3D scanning, but I've had this idea. And if you see that model, let me just turn on shaded mode. It is immaculate. So immaculate that I took him and 3D printed him. Or her. I don't know what it is. You can see here. And check it out. It is so smooth. No, I did no touch-ups. Nothing. Just photogrammetry. Now, how cool is that?